In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Framer 2026, step by step. Whether you're building a hero section, a background loop, or a product demo, adding video in Framer is quick and straightforward. Start by opening Framer in your browser and loading the project and page where you want the clip to live. Having the right page selected will make the next steps seamless. Open the Insert menu at the top of the interface. This is where all components live, and it's the fastest way to place new elements onto your canvas. You can browse or use the search inside Insert if you prefer, but we'll navigate through the categories for clarity. Inside Insert, go to the Media section. Media collects components designed for rich content, making it the natural home for video assets and anything that adds motion or sound to your design. Choose Video from the Media options. Framer will place a video layer on your canvas, usually as a rectangular placeholder. Keep it selected so you can see its settings in the right-hand panel. Drag it to position it within your layout, and use the corner handles to resize. For background footage, make it span the section. For a focal clip, size it to fit within your grid. Matching the video's aspect ratio helps avoid unexpected cropping or letterboxing. Now set the source in the right panel. You have two choices: paste a direct video URL or upload a file from your computer. If you're using a link, make sure it points directly to a video file, like an MP4 or WebM, rather than a watch page. Direct files stream reliably and honor playback settings. If you upload from your computer, Framer will host the asset for you, which is convenient for prototypes and many production use cases. For best performance, keep file sizes modest and use widely supported formats such as H.264 MP4 at 720p or 1080p. While you're in the right panel, review playback options to match the intent of your design. For subtle background movement, enable autoplay, mute the audio, and consider looping so it feels continuous. For feature clips where you want the visitor in control, show the player controls and start without autoplay. And that's all it takes. You opened your project, inserted a video component from the media section, set the source with a URL or upload, and adjusted behavior so it feels polished and intentional. Use the same flow anywhere you need motion, keep your files optimized, and your pages will stay fast and look great.